Contention coming into the final weekend of the year. This was the start of the main race here in Zandvoort. Contact at the start as Meyer Melnoff got together with Attila Abreu, and they were both pitched into the barriers, both BMWs involved, and Meyer Melnoff out of the race too. That all allowed a full course yellow to come out, which in turn, when that came in, was what gave the number one car of Christopher Mies that we're on board with here the opportunity to make up places. Having started in 14th place on the grid, all of a sudden out of nowhere they were in 4th position, and it was the ISR Audi Marco Bononomi that knew the regulations while everyone was warming up their tyres. Look, he was gone, overtaking them all.
Yeah, but there's a one unwritten rule in motorsport is understand the rules and use them. There's a safety car line which happens to be just on the exit of turn 10, and Marco Bononomi knew, in fact between 9 and 10, he knew that he could go once the safety car had been withdrawn. That's the point where you can get the hammer down. He did it, Christopher Mies did it, and that's why we saw the number one Audi get into contention to challenge ultimately for victories in both these championships here this afternoon.
Vincent Abreu, they managed to retake the lead, a good pit stop from them, but this was the moment. Look how close to the Bentley they would have been if that car had fired up. That was that. I don't want to make too big a thing about it. That could have cost them the championship. A bit of a bold claim, but these tiny things make all the difference. Frans raced hard though. He tried to chase the Bentley. Pierre Dieudonné was willing him on, but he couldn't manage to do it, and Maximilian Buch and Vincent Abreu were the pairing that held on to deservedly take the Blancpain Sprint Series title after an incredibly hard-fought season, John.
Yeah, I mean, there's been ebbs and flows all the way through the pit lane. Some teams could say if and or but this is the result. The Bentley had the advantage in qualifying, and it used it through the weekend to secure 2 victories, but most notably to secure the championship, the sprint championship for Vincent Abreu and for Max Buch his second time.
So victory for Abreu and Buch. They win the Blancpain Sprint Series of 2015. Thank you very much for joining us this year. It's been an absolutely superb season. We will be getting underway again next season at the 9th of April and the 10th of April for Blancpain 2016.